Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Claude Code in IntelliJ. Alright, let's begin. First, ensure IntelliJ IDEA is running on your machine and allow it a moment to index your project. To install the extension, navigate to the Plugins feature in the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Claude Code and locate it. Once found, click Install and restart your IDE when prompted to ensure the plugin loads properly. Once the setup is complete, open any supported project file. You can then click on the Claude icon at top right corner to access Claude and use it inside the IDE. Type clear instructions in the prompt box, such as asking it to fix errors, generate unit tests, or refactor functions. Claude Code will analyze your project context and suggest edits or provide a patch for your review. So that's basically how you can use Claude Code in IntelliJ. That's it for this video. Thanks!